Hey guys, so this is a video um, of the GP Corsa carbon slip-on after installation. What you see now is the exhaust that came on the bike. I just got it removed. I have done it myself, and I have installed the GP Corsa carbon as you see here. It was pretty simple. You just have to remove two bolts, one here and the other one here. So this is the clamp that holds the exhaust onto the bike. It was pretty difficult to remove the clamp screw on the exhaust that came on the bike because I didn't have the required tools, so I had to do it with a 12 size spanner. I found it pretty difficult to reach underneath it, but finally I got it removed. And so you first install this pipe here onto the exhaust pipe, and then fit the slip-on. So the clamp holds the slip-on onto the bike. As per the instructions, it is supposed to be installed on the front. However, I have installed it on the back because that looks much neater. You know, it's pretty neat and clean. It's hiding behind, so you don't see that clamp and stuff hanging around, so it's much cleaner at the back. Okay, it took around 1 hour for me to install this stuff. I'm gonna start it now so that you can see the sound. I already started it, it's pretty loud. Alright, let me just get the keys. Okay, I'm just gonna start it up, and I'm very sure it's gonna be pretty loud. That's loud. I have the baffle inside, as you can see. I tried it without the baffle, that's pretty loud as well. So that's the baffle in there. I don't want to rev it because I'm in the apartment. It's gonna be a nuisance to my neighbors, I'm very sure. So I don't want to rev it, but as you see, it's pretty loud. Let me show you how the baffle looks. That's the baffle inside the DB killer or the silencer. It just fits in with a screw underneath it. Without the baffle, it's pretty loud. I mean, it's much louder than what you heard now. So I haven't taken it for a ride. I'm planning to take it for a ride, and also probably I may post a video of a ride with the GP Corsa. That's all for now. Hope this was informative for you. Happy riding and safe riding.